welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today we are doing, oh my god, we are doing 2018 favorites. So it is 2018. You know what? I haven't done a yearly favorites since 2015. Actually, do people still do favorites videos? I remember favorites videos used to be the thing. I think less people do them now, but I think people still do them. I'm doing one anyway. 2018. It is the end of 2018. Damn. I feel like everyone says this, but the year has gone really fast, especially when the start of 2018. I was still in uni. I was finishing my degree. It was my last year in uni. So this year I graduated this year. Damn, that went so quick. I feel like it just went quicker because it's the last year of uni. I didn't want uni to end. I still want to be back at uni. It was good. It was good while it lasted. Anyway, gonna do it a little different. Usually I'll start off with the beauty favorites and the, you know, skincare and all this stuff, because, you know, this channel started as actually this channel started as nail, then it started to hair, then it, I don't know where it's going now, but basically what I'm trying to say is this channel is a beauty and fashion channel. So I was thinking what I'd usually be doing is starting off, this is my favorite makeup product, this is my favorite this, but then I'm gonna start with my favorite moment of the year. I don't know, I just thought it'd be a little bit more interesting to start with my favorite moment of the year, making it just, you know, a little bit more personal than just showing you my favorite products, which probably other people have raved about too. So my favorite moment of the year was back in August. I don't go London that often because London is money. First of all, travel, that's money. Eating and breathing and just anywhere you want to go in London, that's money. To travel to London is about 20 to 30 pounds, whereas a flight to, say, Italy is about 27 pounds. So yeah. So this was back in August, one of the times I went to London, and this was just such a great day. So I went with Baz. If you don't know who Baz is, he's been in a lot of my videos. We went to London and we did a lot of things. We originally just wanted to go to the Sky Garden and it was a free thing to do. So with the Sky Garden, you have to book early in advance if you want to go. We booked in advance to go to the Sky Garden, and then we're thinking, okay, so we both don't go London that often. So we're thinking, okay, let's squeeze in some other things, make it a good day. What else is cheap? We found a Groupon deal to go to ziplining. Okay, let me just go chronologically. We went to a museum first of all. Can't remember what the museum was called. We went to some museum. Is it a space museum or is it can't remember. But basically the day just kept getting better and better and better. Until the end, then we had to go home. So we went to this museum, had a good chill time at this museum. We then went and got some food. We went to Camden and got some noodles, I think. Did we get some noodles? We had food after going to a museum, and then afterwards we went to the Sky Garden. We headed to the Sky Garden. Never been to the Sky Garden, by the way. And it was luxurious. It was a good view of London. However, it was a windy day. I remember that. Clearly remember my hair flying everywhere. So after that we went ziplining, but we didn't have that till later on in the day. So we stayed there for a while just talking. I actually wanted to vlog that day. We're just chillaxing, relaxing. Anyone? So we took some pictures, we chilled, we just talked, and we just looked over the skyline of London. It was good, it was good. It was a nice sunny day. Like, it's one of them things that I would 100% recommend, especially because it's free. Something in London for free and it's good. That's good. So afterwards we planned it correctly to the point where if we travel at this time, we'll get to the ziplining place at this time, so with just the right amount of time. However, so we ended up on the wrong terrain. No, it was the right train going in the wrong direction. Okay, bear in mind, this train is going in the wrong direction, so you would be thinking, let's go off this train and go on the other train going in the right direction, because it will take a shorter time than going on the train that we are now, where it would go round to our location. Baz was like, oh, let's just wait, and I was like, we do not have time to wait. And then we waited on this train for a few stops, and then we went onto the train going in the right direction. So it was, yeah, that was great. So we were rushing. Once we got out of the train, we were headed to the ziplining place, and we were like, where are we meant to be? We see the signs and we're like, okay, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here. Oh my god, it was like, I was out of breath. It was not good. It was such a rush. We got in the place and the guy was like, okay, we have space for you. So I was like, oh great. So it was great. This zip line, I think they only open it for the summer, and it's like the, what was it? It was something like the fastest in Europe, or the longest in Europe, or the highest in Europe. One of those. We went on that and that was great. So we also booked in a drop. This was all part of a Groupon deal, by the way. And essentially you just walk to a drop and you just drop to the floor. I remember I was the first person doing this. Baz was somewhere behind me. The lady just said to me, she didn't give me any instructions. She was just like, okay, she gave me a few instructions. She was just like, lean forward and hold onto your rope or something. Then she said to me, the best thing you could do is just walk and don't think about it. And I was just thinking like, I want to think about the whole experience. I want to look around, be scared, and walk down and be like, ah. But then I thought about it. She didn't explain anything. Like, how am I meant to land safely? How am I meant to hold onto the rope safely? What am I meant to land? What position am I meant to land? That's where I was like, whoa, this is a drop. And so from there on I was like, wait, what? How am I meant to land? She's like, you can land however you want. And I'm just thinking like, you told me to lean forward on a rope. So in my mind, in my logic, I'm thinking, if I'm leaning forward holding onto the rope, I'm landing on my face, or I'm landing lying down, like, or I don't know. Anyway, so I jumped down. It was fun. It was fun. The guy below who helped get the thingy off, whatever it's called, he was telling me like not even like some of the employees couldn't do it. So I was just like, oh, this is good. Baz didn't know anything that was going on. He was just saying how I just dropped down and it was nothing. I was scared though. Oh my god, it took him forever to go. They counted him down so many times and he didn't go down. He was scared. So I was there laughing, but my camera was almost out of battery, and then he finally went, and it was funny. Anyway, that was my favorite moment of 2018 because that day was just such a great day. We had a good whole day in London, and the thing about that, every event after the previous event was better. So the day just got better and better and better, and it was such a good day. So now for makeup. So makeup, okay. So I have a lot of packets of these. These are actually Amazon. Yes, Amazon eyelashes. I mean, not by Amazon. I think they're fulfilled by Amazon, but basically I bought them from Amazon for $2.99, and so therefore they are £3 for 5 pairs of eyelashes, and they are my favorite eyelashes. So I have worn these lashes throughout the entire 2018. So whenever you see me wearing false eyelashes, I am wearing these Amazon eyelashes. And for me, I feel like eyelashes are something that I don't want to be spending a lot of money on because they're just eyelashes. I'm fine with getting your plastic eyelashes as long as it looks full and thick on my eyes. So I have monolids, and it's very hard to find something that looks good on my eye shape. I've always been on the hunt for cheap eyelashes. Ever since I got these eyelashes, it has changed my makeup look drastically. My eyes always looked so small on my face. I feel like my face shape, especially before. So I was looking back at my YouTube videos when I was back in my second year of uni, and I was thinking like, whoa, first of all, I was chubbier. Second of all, didn't have these eyelashes, so therefore my eyes looked a lot smaller. These eyelashes make my eyes look a hell of a lot bigger, and I wear these till they die. I'm the type of person to reuse your eyelashes for about a month. The only thing is that they are very, very dramatic. I mean, I do like the dramatic look when I've got like a certain makeup look going on, but when I want to go for a more natural makeup look, I don't have any eyelashes for that kind of look, and so therefore my makeup is always going to be dramatic. Okay, so the second thing for makeup, I just want to bundle these together. This is Soap & Glory's Brow Archery, Maybelline Brow Drama, and the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. So these three things I've been using consistently throughout 2018, and prior to this, I've been using these ever since I discovered these. So for me, if I can find something drugstore, so if I can find something cheaper, way cheaper than high end, and it works for me, I will use it till I die. And if I know it works, then I'm not gonna get anything else unless I find something cheaper and it works better. So far, I haven't found any gel eyeliner better than this for my annoying eye shape. So for an eye shape that has a monolid, if you don't know what monolid is, so as you can see in my eye, I've got no crease. Basically, my eyes fold, my lid folds like this, and then my eyelashes come out like that. So I don't know if that makes any sense. Basically, if I put on normal eyeliner and it doesn't dry, if I look at you normally, then my eyeliner is not only going to be where it should be, but it's also going to be over here as well, which is annoying. That always happened to me in upper school, and I remember people saying to me like, oh, your eyeliner's over here as well, and I'm thinking like, I know, but I can't stop it because every single time I blink, I can't help it, but the eyeliner transfer is here to here. Brow Archery, the thing about my face, even my eyebrows are oily. I need something that could just be on my brows and just stay put and not let the oil just grease it away or something just smudges it out the way. This is good. It has the spoolie on one side and you got the retractable liner on the other side. It really does remind me of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Just love it because it is half the price. Maybelline Brow Archery goes under the same category as these other two. Once I found them out, it's just, that's all I need. It's just, I need something that makes my eyebrows just stay in put. I've tried other ones where it's just like at the end of the day, my eyebrow hairs are like this now, but then like later on you see them go down like this. I don't know if you can hear or not, but my dog is out of breath and she's in the same room and it's pretty loud. It's okay. It's okay. 2018 for my hair, it's been a trip. So I feel like this year my hair has been through the most out of all the years in my life. My hair's been damaged. I balayaged my hair too many times by myself with the unknowledge of what I'm actually supposed to do and what products I'm meant to use, but I knew the technique. And that was what I was going off of, was just technique, not actually knowledge. I was uneducated, my hair was fried, and therefore I cut my hair. But that also resulted me into actually liking my hair short. So I actually haven't done anything to my hair at all. Washed it yesterday night, it's been in a bun, it's been down, it's just whatever, and then now I haven't done anything to it. Originally it was cut like I think around here-ish, and now it's grown quite a bit, but I actually like it because it's very low maintenance. I do like curling it because I feel like this just gives a lot more volume to it, but if my hair isn't greasy I'd probably just leave it like this. Anyway, so I feel like this is it for my favorites video, my yearly favorites that I do once every 3 years, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy New Year 2019. Whoop, whoop, yeah, bye.